Welcome back to Vehicle Club, your go-to source for the latest automotive updates and in-depth reviews. Today, we're diving into the newly unveiled 2025 Skoda Kushaq Facelift, a refreshed take on one of India's most popular midsize SUVs. Let's explore what's new, what's improved, and why this might be your next car. Exterior upgrades, sharper and more premium. Skoda has given the Kushaq a refined yet bolder appearance in its 2025 facelift. The front fascia now features a redesigned grille with a more aggressive pattern, flanked by sleeker LED headlamps. A new bumper design adds to its sporty stance, while subtle chrome accents and revised alloy wheels give it a more upscale feel. At the rear, updated LED tail lights and a more sculpted tailgate help distinguish this version from its predecessor. Interior and features, more tech, more comfort. Step inside, and the changes continue. The 2025 Kushaq now gets a larger 10.25-inch infotainment touchscreen with wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, along with an upgraded digital instrument cluster. Skoda has focused on improving cabin quality, with soft-touch materials and premium seat upholstery. Ventilated seats, a sunroof, and ambient lighting now come standard on higher variants. The layout remains ergonomic, keeping driver comfort at the core. Performance and safety, refined and reliable. Under the hood, the Kushaq facelift retains its trusted 1.0L and 1.5L TSI petrol engines, mated to manual and DSG automatic gearboxes. What's new is improved engine calibration for smoother delivery and slightly better fuel efficiency. On the safety front, the Kushaq continues with 6 airbags, ABS with EBD, electronic stability control, and rear parking sensors, now complemented by a 360-degree camera and Level 2 ADAS on top variants. Final thoughts, a worthy upgrade? The 2025 Skoda Kushaq facelift doesn't reinvent the wheel but enhances what was already a solid package. With its fresh design, upgraded tech, and added safety, it's more appealing than ever. Whether you're upgrading or buying your first SUV, the new Kushaq deserves serious consideration. Outro, thanks from Vehicle Club. That's it for today's update on the 2025 Skoda Kushaq facelift. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews and news only on Vehicle Club.